Hello everyone, I'm called by the name Soput Richard Patrick. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's another great pleasure today for having you again. So basically today what we are going to talk about is Google Contacts. So Google Contacts is also an app in Google. If you Chrome, you tap here. So Google Contact is basically also an app in Google. So you come here to this tab, you open it, so it will get you here. You find Google Contacts. Where is Google Contacts? Google Contacts. Let me first look for my Google Contacts. Google Contacts. So let us search for our Google Contacts. Come, where is Contacts? So those are Google Contacts. Those are my Google Contacts. So basically, first and foremost, I would like to take you through the importance of Google Contacts. So Google Contacts always puts what we call by a centralized and unified contact management. So this basically talks about a single source of truth. So instead of having contacts spread everywhere, SIM cards, personalized emails, work emails, anywhere. So Google Contacts brings what about it. So Google Contacts is acts as a single cloud, so a cloud-based what you call by the repository for all contacts. So basically, you can have your contacts scattered from everywhere, but in Google Contact stores it as one. So the second is that it unifies information. So basically, Google Contacts unifies information, so it can automatically pull and consolidate contact details from Gmail interactions, your Android phone, and other linked contacts, creating what we call by rich and comprehensive profiles. So the third one is that it brings what we call by the seamless cross-device synchronization. So in real time, any change you make in your device, for example, laptop, is instantly available on all other devices. For example, tablets. So this perhaps is most crucial feature. So basically, what we know by Google, what I have to tell you about Google Contacts, it is just a cloud in Google that stores contacts. So basically, what a cloud is that you can access your contacts from everywhere. Be it here, when your SIM card, it allows what you call by backup. When your SIM card gets lost, you can get your contacts back. That brings us on what we call by the data enrichment and organization. Everything. It can also help in Google Maps, help in Gmail, help in Google Messages and Android. That is what in sharing the location. So that is in Google Contacts. So how can we upload our Google Contacts? So first and foremost, come here. So let us create Google Contact. Let us create a new contact. I want to create a new contact. So it will give you to enter the first name, maybe Omolo. The last name, Arigan. So we are creating what we call by Google Contact. So it will give you to put company, but so it will give you to enter the email, the phone number. So let us put maybe the phone number is Uganda 256 7665 876 10. So label, dates of birth. Let us first change here. Let me put some that I know is put, and we come here. Put Richard put Richard, RICHARD, put Richard. So it will give you the company, job title, but those ones are not all that wanted. Let us put the email. The email is, we'll put Richard61 Gmail sorry at gmail.com. So you can add the address, month, day, year, and some important notes. So after that, you can also drag an image. If this guy loves images, I can choose maybe an image, and yeah, so you can choose an image. So it has started exploring. So maybe this guy loves swimming. It is preparing our image. Let us allow it. So the image is there. You can also add a label, create label, but that one is not all that necessary. So after finishing all that, you come here and you save. It is working upon it. Let us allow it to save. So this is our new contact. So this is basically our new contact, email, doing all that. So if you want, like in Google Meet, you can start your video call here. You can chat from here. Everything is there. So that is basically what we have. But if you also want to delete, you just come here, press that action delete. So there are more actions here. If you want to print, export, hide from contacts, report profiles. So if you want to import contacts, maybe if you have a file somewhere, let us see. If you have maybe a file in your files, you come here and you select the file that you want to, that maybe has contacts, and you import here in your Google Contacts. So basically that is what is mostly in Google Contacts. You can import contacts, but for me I have no contacts in my files. So that is it in Google Contacts. So you can also come here. So since it is in Google, so everything is Google is truly good. It is a search engine. Google itself is a search engine. So basically, if you have very many contacts and you maybe know only the name, you can come here and you type the name and it comes there as your contact comes. So basically, let me take you back to the let me wrap up with some advantages again. So the advantages of Google Contacts is like this first one, deep integration with Google ecosystems. For example, Gmail, Google Meet, Google Messages, and Google Maps. So there you can share locations. In Gmail, Gmail can, like when you're using Gmail, you can easily export your contacts to Gmail. So seamless cross-device synchronization. When maybe your PC gets lost, you can easily back up. The third one is centralized and unified management. So that is what I had in Google Contacts. I'm so happy for having you here. So basically that if you want to edit, come here, you edit your contacts. So that is it. That is in Google Contacts. So after doing all that, maybe you come here and you import That is done. So I'm so grateful for having you today in our Google Contacts. Thank you really for your participation. So please, for our channel to grow, ensure to like, subscribe and comment so that our channel grows. I'm so grateful for having you. I'm Richard Patrick Oput, and thank you for your attention. Thank you. Have a nice day.